With Google open, type in the search bar lexica.art. With the site open, click on Get Started to create an account. With the account created, we can now start using the site as best as possible. In the top bar of the site, we can see its menus. Let's start with the home page. By scrolling, you will see a lot of images. At the top of the page, we also have a search bar where you can search for a specific topic or idea. Clicking here, you can also upload an image from your computer, which will be used as a reference for your research. I'll look for fruit landscape, for example. You see that there are thousands of results to explore. Click on any image you want to know details about. On the left side, there is a description of what the person who generated the photo typed to create it. Click Copy Prompt to send all this research information to your clipboard. Click here to send this image generation link to your clipboard. We can access numerous information, such as which version of the website's AI was used, the guidance scale, the dimensions, and the negative prompt, which we will address in more detail soon. Clicking on this heart, you can like the image. Clicking this button downloads the image. Clicking on these sidebars or these icons below the image, you can view other generations that were made with that same prompt if they exist. Now, we'll go to the generated page. In this first area, you describe the image you want to generate. I want to make a thumbnail for my Minecraft Hour series, so I'll type Dark Minecraft House. In the area below, called the negative prompt, you will describe features you don't want in your generated image. I'll type oval shapes, because it's Minecraft. In this area on the right side, we have some settings available. First, we can change the dimensions by clicking and dragging the mouse over this sidebar. We can see a preview of these dimensions. By clicking on Advanced Settings, you can change the AI version that will be used. The guidance scale is how much you can differentiate one shape from another, background face, eye, mouth, etc. Click Generate and wait for the result. Going down the page, we see the images generated now and previously by you. Put the mouse over the page showing several options. Clicking, we can download or open it in another tab. On this option, we can like the photo. On this button, the site can also enlarge the generated photo using AI. In this option, you generate variations of the image. You can see all the photos you generated in the History tab. Clicking on Select Multiple, you can select several images to download or delete. In Likes page, you see all the photos you liked. In the Account page, you subscribe to one of the existing plans of the platform. So that's it, the complete guide on how to use this Midjourney Alternative for free. Try it by yourself and report any questions, issues, or ideas in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more informative content about artificial intelligence and many other stuff. Bye!